How to plan for long-term financial stability post-divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Finalizing your divorce is a major milestone, but once the paperwork is done, the real work begins. Building a stable financial future on your own. Whether you're starting fresh or rebuilding, it's critical to have a strategy for long-term financial stability. Let's go over how to create that plan. First, start by understanding your full financial picture. List your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This helps you create a realistic monthly budget and identify areas where you can save or cut back. The clearer the numbers, the stronger your plan. Next, set both short-term and long-term financial goals. Maybe that's building an emergency fund, paying off a credit card, or saving for retirement. Breaking your goals into manageable steps will keep you motivated and moving in the right direction. We worked with a client who was overwhelmed after her divorce and unsure where to start. By helping her create a simple plan that focused first on stabilizing monthly expenses, then saving just $100 a month, she regained confidence and built momentum quickly. At Divorce 661, we help clients take control of their post-divorce lives, not just legally, but financially. We offer planning tools, checklists, and trusted referrals to help you stay on track long after the divorce is finalized. Also, don't forget to protect your progress. Review insurance policies, update beneficiaries, and make sure your estate plan reflects your new reality. Planning ahead helps you avoid surprises and stay in control no matter what life throws at you. If you've recently finalized your divorce and want help building a solid financial future, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you organize, prioritize, and plan with confidence, so your next chapter is not only secure, but successful.